Good morning. My name is Leslie Brown. I'm a category manager at BC Liquor. Today I'm here to showcase some wonderful wines from Chile and Argentina that are brand new to BC Liquor. If you're missing your favorite USA wines, these wines will be great replacements for you to try. The first wine I have for you today is the Ed Edmundo Chardonnay, well, the double oak Chardonnay from Argentina. This wine comes from Mendoza area, specifically Yuco Valley. The grapes are hand-picked and they're aged in oak barrels for 10 months. If you love Chardonnay, you'll love the aromas of apple, pear, vanilla, and the caramel notes. And then on the palate, some nice tropical fruit and some honey to finish it off. It'll be beautiful going into September with any kind of salmon or fish. I love it personally with a creamy sauce or cheeses. And hint, this will be $5 off this month for September. The next wine I have to show you today is our new Icon Rock from Argentina. This wine is a red blend from Yuco Valley. Yuco Valley is high altitude, so over 3,000 meters above sea level. And that produces a very concentrated, elegant style of wine. The grapes in this wine are a blend of 50% of Syrah, 30% Cabernet Sauvignon, and 20% Merlot. It is delicious, very elegant, and has some nice red fruit, spicy notes. And by the way, this is a 91-point rated wine by James Suckling. This wine is perfect for your barbecue, for any kind of red meats or mushrooms going into fall. This wine is regular $24.99, but will be $5 off for the month of October. So great for your Thanksgiving dinners. I'm really excited about our new Cabernario No. 3 Cabernet Sauvignon from Chile. This is from the Maipo Valley of Chile, and it's very California inspired. That's what the winery decided about this wine. It's single vineyard old vines that are hand-picked and aged for over 12 months in oak barrels. The wine has beautiful red fruits, blackberry, cherry, plum, and beautiful spicy notes with a nice soft tannins on the finish. It's got a nice ripe fruit flavor as well. Barbecue season isn't over even though it's September, and this wine is $5 off this month as well, so I hope you enjoy it. All of these wines are available only at BCL. I hope you enjoy and pick one up at your local BC liquor store.